Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Today I'll be making for you some scrambled tofu with plantain bowls. So for my scrambled tofu, I'm gonna be using red onion, bell pepper. These are some sweet peppers. This is coriander and cumin. Some turmeric and some tricolor beans. You can use whatever beans you're of choice, with some cilantro, oil, black pepper, and salt. So this is my ingredients for today, and I'll see you guys in a second. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm gonna add a half of red pepper. If I use sweet pepper, you can use your red pepper. Half of green, and a half of red onion. Guys, these are the perfect plantains for my plantain bowl. Cut 1 in 3. When you're choosing the plantains, make sure they're not too ripe or too green. This is just like firm and perfect. So guys, you're gonna let your onions and peppers cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Over here, my oil is hot. So now I'm adding my plantains. So guys, I'm adding 1/4 of a spoon of cumin and coriander, and have it cook for 1 minute. So guys, now it's time to add my tofu. And a teaspoon of turmeric. Guys, now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. So now I'm gonna have a half a can of my tricolor beans. And guys, 1 to 2 minutes, this should be ready. Okay guys, as I showed you before, all you need is 2 stocking. Whatever you have in your kitchen, you can use measuring cup. I'm using bowls because I'm making bowls. If you're using the cup, you can call it cups. So here is my plantain, and all I'm doing is crushing it to make a bowl. This is the perfect bowl. And then, as you see, I put it back in the pot to get it more crispy. After getting it out of the oil, I kind of put it on paper towel to get some of the oil out, and press to soak the oil out of it. See? All right, guys, I'll see you when we're finished. So guys, we're at the end of another segment. Here is my tofu bowl, my tofu scramble bowl with black beans. And this is not only vegan, anyone can have this. They are delicious, very delicious. So whether you're vegan, vegetarian, whether you're gluten-free or not, all right? So I hope you guys truly enjoy it because it's easy and quick. And as you know, I have a scripture for the day and I have a message for the day from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys. Today's scripture is coming from Proverbs 14 verse 14. The unfaithful will be repaid for his own ways. Likewise, a good man will be rewarded for his ways. So be good, guys. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, your past is over. It can't touch you. So forgive all involved, including yourself. All right? Forgive yourself. I need to remind myself about that also. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I love you guys and see you next time. Enjoy. Bye-bye.